How to reset First Republic password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset the password of your First Republic bank account, which has now been transferred to Chase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you didn't know, all the accounts that were on the First Republic has now been transferred to Chase. So if you want to change the password of that very account, you'll need to change it for the Chase. So let's just type in firstrepublic.com on our web browser and it'll open up chase.com. Okay, you can see. Now what you can do here is head over to this login section and tap on this forgot user /password. After you tap on that, it will redirect you to this page where you can reset it. So simply confirm your ID by giving it your social security number or your taxation ID. Then finally your account, card or application number and tap on next. Keep on following the prompts and fill out the forms, and at the end they should give you a reset password option, and that way you can reset your password for your First Republic account, which is now basically a Chase account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.